Picture a massive, reinforced concrete wall impenetrable to ordinary bombs. That's where the bunker buster comes in, a bomb designed to smash through rock, steel, and concrete before detonating. Unlike standard bombs that explode on the surface, bunker busters dive deep, targeting the heart of underground fortresses. Think of it as a precision tool for the toughest jobs, reaching threats buried out of sight. In modern warfare, high-value assets are hidden underground command centers, weapons labs, storage bunkers. These places are built to survive conventional attacks, so you need a weapon that's even tougher. The bunker buster is that answer, a brute force solution for seemingly impossible targets. It's a bomb that digs, not just knocks. It kicks down the door, explodes inside, and leaves nowhere safe for enemies to hide. In today's conflicts, it's a reminder, with the right tools, there are few places you can truly conceal yourself. It's a serious piece of gear for serious situations. The bunker buster is a weapon born from necessity, designed to hold enemies accountable no matter how deep they hide. It's the ultimate can opener for the world's hardest targets. That's what makes it a game changer. So, how do bunker busters actually work? First, speed dropped from high altitude, they build up massive kinetic energy, sometimes faster than sound. This turns them into giant metal darts, smashing through layers of defense. Their casings are thick, hardened steel, tough enough to survive the initial impact and keep burrowing deep. The real magic is the delayed action fuse. Unlike normal bombs, bunker busters wait to explode until they've reached the right depth. The fuse can be programmed or triggered by sensors, ensuring the blast happens inside the bunker, not outside. Once deep enough, the main charge detonates. The underground explosion creates a devastating shockwave, collapsing tunnels and destroying everything inside. It's a 1-2 punch: penetrate, then obliterate. That's how you take out the untouchable. Precision, power, and timing. Engineered for the world's toughest targets. That's the science behind the bunker buster. Some bunker busters have become legends. The American GBU-28 Deep Throat was rushed into service during the Gulf War. Over 2,200 kilograms of hardened steel and explosives, built to punch through Saddam's bunkers. Its big brother, the GBU-57 Massive Ordnance Penetrator, weighs over 13,600 kilograms and can only be carried by the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. The MOP is designed for the deepest, most fortified targets, up to 60 meters underground. Russia's KB-1500 LPR is another heavyweight, a laser-guided bomb for smashing underground command posts and tunnels. All these bombs share the same principle: thick casing, delayed fuse, and massive explosive power. Compared to a standard bomb like the Mark 82, bunker busters are heavier, tougher, and built for underground destruction. Standard bombs are for surface targets. Bunker busters are for the hidden, the hardened, the impossible. It's a global arms race. Who can build the bomb that digs the deepest? These weapons have changed the rules of engagement. If it's buried, it's still not safe. That's the legacy of the bunker buster: survival, redefined. Bunker busters are built for one job: destroying what's hidden underground. Their top targets: command and control bunkers, nerve centers for military leadership. Take out a C2 bunker, and you can paralyze an enemy's entire operation. Next, underground weapons labs and storage sites, where nations hide their most dangerous assets. These facilities are buried deep to avoid detection and attack. Bunker busters are one of the few ways to reach them. Hardened aircraft shelters and submarine pens are also prime targets. Standard bombs barely scratch these. Bunker busters punch through and destroy what's inside. They're also used against underground ammo depots, fuel stores, and communication hubs. Anything vital to an enemy's war effort. The goal: cripple logistics, deny resources, and dismantle the ability to fight back. It's about methodically removing the enemy's options even when they think they're safe. In modern strategy, if it's buried, it's a target. Bunker busters make sure nothing is truly out of reach. That's their brutal effectiveness. Delivering these bombs isn't easy. They need heavy bombers like the B-2 Spirit or B-52 Stratofortress. Stealth is key to reaching the most protected targets. But there's a darker side: the nuclear bunker buster. This combines a penetrating bomb with a small nuclear warhead, aiming to destroy even the deepest bunkers. The idea is terrifying. Detonating a nuke underground could contain the blast, but the risks are enormous. Fallout, contamination, and the threat of escalating to full nuclear war make these weapons highly controversial. Even a contained nuclear blast can spread radioactive dust for hundreds of kilometers. Most experts agree. Nuclear bunker busters are a last resort, if ever. Conventional bunker busters, though, remain vital. forcing adversaries to rethink underground fortresses. They're a powerful reminder. Innovation in warfare never stops. In the contest of survival, adaptation is everything. The bunker buster is proof. No target is truly safe. Stay safe out there.